Hi crafters, today I'm going to show you how to do a slip knot. So just watch the video right now, I'll walk you through it, but as you can see I have the tail end of my yarn in my right hand and then I use my two left fingers, okay? So you get your two fingers behind the yarn. From your left hand you're going to go up and over the yarn. There we go. And then you're going to grab that bottom part and pull the tail with your right hand. Give it a try. Okay, I'm going to give you a word picture now with the tail end in your right hand and your two left fingers going behind the yarn. You're going to go up and over and you're going to go digging for treasure through that hole, okay? So you're going to go down and grab that treasure. You're going to pull it up and out. Don't tighten the knot too tight though. There's your slip knot.